So this Suntracker Party Barge 20 DLX just arrived. This boat came from one of our very good customers. Him and his wife decided they just did not use it enough. Really well taken care of boat. Only used a handful of times. It'll need a quick cleaning, but you're seeing it raw just like he brought it to us. 90 horsepower Mercury. With a quick wash and dust off, this boat will appear very nice. It sits on a Suntracker trailer, which is included with a nice walk-up platform. Front access on this boat. There's a full cover with all the support poles. 2 lounging couches. A wraparound lounger. Bimini top. Very nice layout on this boat. Stereo system, of course. Bumpers are included, as well as some new ropes. It does have a GPS unit, which we have stored away. Bluetooth stereo. And it has a really nice back platform, so it's really easy for standing, for kids getting on and off the swim ladder. It also has the ski pole for pulling a tube or whatever you'd like to do. The aluminum's all in good shape. It's not gouged up. He said less than 50 hours. He said probably 25, but he said say 50 just to be on the safe side. And this is the deluxe model of the Suntracker. Nicer upholstery, just a little better layout. Good all overall boat, ready for the water. We will clean it before it leaves, and again, it will come with all of its safety stuff, the bumpers. Ready to rip. Call us if you got any questions. Or check out our other items in stock. We do have a couple new pontoon boats still left. They won't last long with the holiday season, but we do have a few. Thanks for watching.